Hi, I am Alton Patrick, and in this video I am going to describe you about easy natural ways to treat arthritis joint inflammation. Certain herbs are found to be very effective for the treatment of joint pain troubles. Let's see the natural ways to treat arthritis joint inflammation. Willow bark is a common remedy used for the treatment of health issues like joint pain and inflammation. Today, you can get white willow bark products from market in the form of tea powders, capsules and extracts. Massaging is another common remedial measure suggested to get relief from arthritis pain and troubles. You can make use of lavender oil, chamomile oil and lemon balm oil to get rid of this health issues. Apart from the above specified oils, you can also make use of other oils like olive oil and eucalyptus oil to improve the flexibility of joints and muscles. For effective result, people are generally recommended to massage for at least 30 minutes duration. Medicinal oils are found to be very effective to provide needy nutrients to body cells and tissues. Lack of side effect is a main advantage of following medicinal oils for the purpose of treatment. Application of ice packs or heat packs is another way suggested to get relief from joint pain. It can only provide you temporary pain relief from arthritis troubles. Hence, try to make use of herbal remedies in conjunction with the application of ice packs. Regular exercise holds a prominent role in providing the required flexibility to body. 30 minutes regular exercises can provide you the required results within a short interval of time. You can certainly make use of regular exercising like walking, swimming and jogging to enhance the flexibility of joints. Healthy diet is a main factor which plays a key role in enhancing the flexibility of muscles. For satisfactory result, never hesitate to make use of food sources like green tea, turmeric and garlic in daily diet. How to prepare a healthy diet devoid of adverse actions? This question is quite common from people all over the world. Today, you have many nutritional experts available online to assist in preparing diet plans. Hence, feel free to get guidance from their side for preparing a good diet plan. Do you like to drink the tea made from nettle leaf powder? If yes, feel free to use nettle leaf tea in your daily life. It assures amazing health benefits devoid of side effects. Nettle leaf tea is renowned for amazing health advantages like increased blood circulation and improved joint flexibility. You can make use of this drink 2 to 3 times per day. As per studies, Rumoxil products are found to be very effective for the treatment of joint pain problems. Today, you can get both Rumoxil oil and Rumoxil capsule from online stores. For satisfactory result, try to make use of both Rumoxil oil and capsule from online stores. Including MSM products in diet is found to be very effective to treat joint pain troubles. Generally, MSM products are a form of sulfur compounds which guarantee enhanced muscle strength and flexibility to body. Buy Rumoxil capsules and Rumoxil oil worldwide at darmanis.com.